What's up guys, I'm Cameron and this is Relentless Shine, and that's probably Jonah.
Hey Jonah.
Getting ready for this right here. This is a Dodge Ram TRX, the Raptor killer. Another one in the house. We'll be doing a full front clear bra on. So that'll be all the painted areas. The black plastic trim does not look good with film on it, so we don't do those. We'll do the headlights, full fenders, these front bumper caps, and then on this hood, complicated hood, we'll do all the painted area. If we lay clear bra gloss film over top of these matte pieces, it will change the finish. So what we'll do is remove the film from on top of the decals and leave it in place around everything else. That'll be it for now. We're gonna get started and I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy watching us do this kind of work on the cool cars and trucks rolling through here, please subscribe, follow our channel, hit the alert so you see the new videos when those pop up, and help us really grow this thing. Thank you.
Alrighty guys, we just wrapped up the TRX. It's got a full front on it, wrapped every edge that we can, and then over these matte stickers, we have to hand cut around so we don't change the finish because it matches, everything on this truck matches. So all hand cut, still can't see it. We do a really great job with hand cutting. As usual, if you're liking the content we're pumping out, please give us a like, give us a subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.